Hi, welcome to NetXperts. Today I'm going to show it to you how to enable Telnet in Cisco routers or Cisco switches. So in this lab, I'm going to take a Cisco router and I'm going to show it to you how to enable Telnet. So before we get into the lab, I try to explain to you what exactly I'm trying to do. So let's go and see the topology. So let's open the MS Paint. So I'm going to take a router. And this router which is going to be configured in my GNS. But again, in my physical PC, how it knows about this router? So for that, in background, what I did, I just did some connecting between my physical PC and GNS. So those things, if you want, you just request me, you just comment on that. I'm going to show it to you how you are going to set up the whole GNS and you can enjoy the real labs. Okay, so now what I'm trying to do here, I'm going to take one cloud. So this cloud you consider like which is going to be communicate with my physical PC. That's why I'm going to take a cloud and I'm going to connect my Cisco router directly here. So here I configured in my cloud the network is 10.10.10.0/24 network. So I configured in my physical PC is 10.1. And in my GNS, the router that I'm going to configure it here, 10.10.10.11/24. So in my physical PC, I can open the PuTTY and I can able to communicate to my Cisco router. Okay. So let's go and see first of all whether I can able to communicate or not. After that, I'm going to enable the telnet. That's what I'm going to do now. Let's go and see. So I'm going to delete this. So let's minimize this window. So let's open my GNS3. It's already configured. So right now, let's go and click on File, click on the new blank project. So I'm going to say, as for my today's date, which is 27/5/2026, and this is my lab. See? Okay. So right now, this is my workspace. So where I can able to deploy it. So just click on the routers. Then I'm going to take a router here. There is router 1. So as I told you, the connectivity between my router to my physical PC that I'm going to take a cloud. So let's go and take a cloud. Say okay. Now I'm going to connect my router directly to my physical PC, which is my cloud. Here you can see there is a two interfaces, the Ethernet 0, which is configured for my local PC. Let's go and click on that. So that's it. Now what I'm trying to do now, let's power on. So it's powered up now. So just make it up. Now I just want to double click here to access the console of my Cisco router. Thank you. It's getting ready now. So first of all, let's go to the configuration mode. Then interface is 0/0. That's the interface which is connected to my physical PC. So through the cloud. Now I'm going to configure IP address 10.10.10.11. 255.255.255.0. Then no shutdown. Say exit. Now you guys can see here the interface is going to come from. So if you want to see that whether that interface is up or not and what IP address we assigned it, you can type the command do show IP interface brief. Now you can able to see here Ethernet 0/0 which is configured with this IP address and it's up and running. But if you want to see only this specific interface, you can just type here do show run interface E0/0. Hit enter. You can able to see it. Or else you can able to see like you can type do show IP interface brief and I can give the pipe symbol here exclude unassigned. That's it. Then you can able to see only that specific interface and what IP address that you configure. Here exclude is nothing but whatever whatever interfaces it doesn't have IP address, that is called unassigned. And I just want to exclude those and I want to see the remainder. So that's why you can able to see only this interface with IP address and the status. So that's perfectly fine now. So the second step is whether I'm able to communicate with my physical PC or not. So I told you my physical PC that I configured as 10.10.10.1. So let's go and do that. Do ping 10.10.10.1. Hit enter. Now if you're going to get a reply, yes, there is a reply. Yeah. So congratulations. But let's open my physical PC, go to the command prompt and type ping 10.10.10. Which is 11. Say enter. So I'm able to see perfectly fine. But now I didn't enable the telnet, but I tried to do the telnet. Let's go and see. See, just open the putty here. Then after that, go to the other and you can see here by default it's selected as a telnet and port number is 23 and type the IP address which is 10.10.10.11. Then after that say open. Now you can see here it's not able to see anything. Hey, network error, connection refused. Why? Because the request went to my router, but my router is not enabled with the telnet. So I'm somebody saying, hey, I'm not able to respond to anything to you guys. So let's open the telnet, then after that you can see. Okay, now what I'm going to do now. So to enable the telnet, so I'm going to say the command line VTY, and you can see here at a time 4 people. 0 to 4 means it's a 5. So you need to say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, which means 5. So 5 users, they can able to do telnet to this device. But I just want to enable telnet only for one user. So I can say 0. Then after that, I can say password Cisco 123. Then after that, login. Then exit from here. Then let's go and see. Before that, I just want to save this configuration. So if you want to save the configuration, you need to type do write. You can say enter. But why did you type do? Because I'm in the configuration mode. Whenever you are in the configuration mode, you can't execute any commands which is related to the privilege. That's the reason I type do write. Say enter. Say, are you sure that you want to save? Yes. Confirm. So now what I'm trying to do now, I open the putty again and I will try to connect my router. Let's go and see it. So open the putty and again select other and type the IP address of your Cisco router 10.10.10.11. Say open. Now let's see here what's happening. Oh, again it's confused. What happened to here? Why is not able to access, guys? What's the reason? Why my putty is refusing? What's the reason? Did I enable telnet? Yes, I have enabled the telnet. But what is the reason? Let's go and check it. Do show run section line. Okay. I enable here. You can see in my telnet, there's a password Cisco 123 I assigned. I said that, hey, whenever somebody is trying to log in, but here the transport input SSH. So only SSH is allowed here, but I want to access through the telnet. Telnet is not allowed. That's the reason it's refused. So let's go and do that. How you are going to do? Like again, line VTY 0. Now I'm going to say transport input, then telnet and SSH. Both I'm trying to enable. Now exit from here, do write. The configuration is saved. Now open the putty again. Then select other. Type the IP address of my router, which is 10.10.10.11. Say open. Hey, congratulations, buddy. I got the access. Then what's my password? Which is Cisco123. Now, when you type enable, hey, sorry, buddy, I'm not able to get into my privilege mode. So what's the reason? Because I didn't set the enable password. So let's go and do that. So I'm going to say enable password. Then can I give the same? Hey, there is a message that I am able to see here. Configure enable CLI with weak encryption type 0 will be deprecated in future. Oh, okay. So is it okay? Did you accept first of all? Let's go and check that part. So how you can check that? Just see here, show run. Then you can see somewhere. Does it take it, guys? Does it take it? Enable password Cisco 123. It's here. So now what I'm trying to do now, let's open the putty again. You see here. Now type enable. Then Cisco 123. Congratulations. Now I can type show IP interface brief. I can able to see the interfaces and their configurations. And I can able to access my router by using the tab. So in my next video, if you enable the telnet, most of the people that are trying to tell you, hey buddy, please don't enable the telnet. It's very risky. If somebody trying to hack your session, then definitely they are going to see what you are trying to do. They can able to see everything, what configurations you are trying to do. Is it possible? Can I see that? Yes, definitely in my next video, I'm going to show it to you. So I'm going to end up my video from here. So let's go and exit from here. Thank you so much. And let's close this guy and minimize this. I hope this has been informative and I would like to thank you for viewing.